Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some saltfish fritters. So here I have my saltfish that I've already boiled, and I'm about to remove the outer skin from my saltfish as well as debone my saltfish. So if you want to skip the step of deboning, you can purchase the boneless saltfish. After which I will break my saltfish apart into small pieces so you can watch how I proceed with making my saltfish fritters. So meanwhile, I am deboning my saltfish. I am breaking it apart because that's the easiest way to find all the bones that are in the saltfish. This is how your saltfish should look after you're done breaking it apart and deboning. So I'm going to move on to the next step, in which I'm going to incorporate all the other ingredients. So it doesn't matter what order you combine your ingredients. So today I am adding all the other ingredients to my flour. Some days I add all the ingredients to my saltfish. So it doesn't really matter what order you combine your ingredients. What matters is the amount you use and the type of ingredients. So all the ingredients that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. So if you want to make this recipe, you can find all the ingredients that I use in the description box below. After mixing all the ingredients together, I am going to add water to my ingredients in order to create a batter for my fritters. This is the consistency you want your batter to have. So I am going to set this aside and prepare my pot in which I'm going to add oil and leave it to heat up a little before I add my batter. Adding the batter is very easy. All you have to do is to use a spoon to scoop up some of the batter and add it to the oil. My fritters are done, but I love to have my fritters a little crispy, so I am going to leave these in for a little bit. Then I will remove them and set them on a paper napkin to drain the excess oil, after which I am going to fry the remaining of the batter. So there you have it. My saltfish fritters is all done, and I am going to have this with some fresh mint tea, and you can try my recipe and tell me how you like it. Remember to like my video, leave a comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.